Hello and welcome back. This is Ali from isocialu.com, and in this video I want to show you some really cool hacks that you can use with Buffer tool. So first of all, I want to show you the analytics. So let's click on one of your social media channels, let's say Facebook, and then click on this tab Analytics. Ooh, seems like they have moved this feature. Your post history has a new home. Let's go there. So it's actually under the Content tab and then Posts. So this is basically the analytics on all of your recent posts that you have sent to the Facebook. And if you look at this one had a reach of 50 and 1 click, reach of 31, no clicks, and you can view for all of your recent posts that you have sent to that social media channel. Now, since I'm using a free plan, I will not be able to use the most popular or the least popular feature. But if you are using one of their paid plans, you can actually sort this. But this is really interesting because you can see which content has performed better recently and actually rebuffer that. So let's see what happens when you click on rebuffer. When you do that, so it's giving you an option to actually reschedule that piece of content on one or more of your social media channels. And you could do the same thing. You can share now, share next, schedule the post at a specific day or time, or add it to your queue, which means it will get posted based on the schedule that you created. So that's how you can use analytics to check all of your recent posts and see which one has performed better. And if it's one of your evergreen content, you can rebuffer it and re-add it to the queue. Let's look at some other cool hacks from Buffer. So I want to show you this really cool feature, which is probably one of my favorites from Buffer team. So let's say if you are reading, this is actually my own website, isocialu.com. And here is the recent blog article that I wrote, How to Market an App. Now, with a lot of other social media marketing tools, if you had to share this image, you will save this on the computer and then share it. But watch this. Since I have the Buffer extension installed, I can right click, go to Buffer, and say buffer this image. Now watch this. So what happens now is, here is the image post that I can, let's copy that for Facebook. Now keep in mind, this is not a link post. I'm creating an image post on Twitter, Facebook, and other social media channels. So by using this feature, you don't have to save an image on the computer and then share it using other tools. Buffer has this really cool feature where you can directly buffer images to your social media accounts. Very cool. Another relevant or similar feature is, let's say if you're reading a blog content and you want to share not necessarily the title, but you see something inside which is really cool. So you can highlight that piece of text and then right click, go back to buffer option, and now buffer selected text. And now what's it gonna do is, it's gonna create the social media post or update based on the text that we selected. There we go. So here's the text that we actually selected from that article, and we can easily add our hashtags or share it to our social media marketing channels. Another really cool and simple hack is, we can create images directly from this piece of content or this blog article. So let's say if we wanted to create an image using that text, we can right click on that, go to Buffer, and then click on Create Image with Pablo. Now remember, Pablo is a free tool from Buffer team that you can use to create compelling images in just seconds. There we go. we can change the background and then play with the size of this text. And now we're creating a square image, but you could do a Pinterest or other formats. Let's add a caption, and I'm just gonna say hashtag iSocialU, because that's the branding that I use for my website. There we go. And then, by the way, if you want, you can also insert your logo or graphic to brand this image. I can download this on my computer, or I can share this directly to Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, or send it back to Buffer to add it to my queue. So by using this hack, you can easily convert any text on different blog articles that you're reading into very compelling images. Now, one more hack I want to show you. Let's say if you go to your Twitter timeline. Here's my Twitter account, twitter.com/Ali Mirza. Now let's say you're reading some content and you came across an article that you really wanted to share. Now look at this. The Buffer extension, since it's added to my browser, I have an option of adding this piece of content directly to Buffer. There we go. I can select the text for Facebook, select the social media channels that I want to send it to, and then same options for posting this. Share next, share now, schedule a post to a specific date or time, or just add it to my queue. So it's a really easy way to repurpose or curate actually content from your Twitter into your Buffer. So by using some of the hacks we covered in this video, you can actually save a lot of time on your social media marketing.